Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So our next video is a continuation of the previous series of sim components, and today we'll learn about log correlation. So we have read about collecting of data, then storing of data, then normalizing that log data, and now we need to know that how we can correlate the logs from different sources, and then we can analyze them for better analysis. So one of the key features of SIM is log correlation. It helps detect a specific pattern or event by analyzing the log information from different sources. So this is the process of analyzing log entries from different systems, applications and devices, and then we combine them to detect a specific event, security breach or any potential threat. What are the features and functions of log correlation? Multi-source log processing. So correlation is often used to analyze logs from multiple sources, and this way we can collect and correlate events from different systems. Next up we have is predefined rules. So some systems can use predefined correlation rules to detect specific threat scenarios or security events. Next is automatic alerts and notifications. We can alert notifications whenever a specific threshold has met or a specific event has been detected. Then through correlation, security professionals can better understand the cause and effect of events. We can also operate on both real-time and historical log data, allowing it to analyze past events and detect what is happening right now. So what is the importance of log correlation? It improves our visibility, and we can rapidly and quickly identify the specific threat patterns. Next is it is very effective and efficient. Our false positive alarms get decreased because we have now tuned and we can focus on only real threats. Next is forensic analysis. We identify the chronological order of events, and we can understand who has caused that event, how it got caused, how it get, and what is the root cause and what is the impact of a security incident. Next is real-time monitoring and analysis. Real-time monitoring is the process of keeping an organization's network, applications, users, and other components under constant and immediate surveillance. So SIM collects logs and events from various sources. This could be servers, network devices, security solutions. Then it is processed, normalized, and stored in real time. And SIM tools detect threats by applying predefined rules, correlations, and algorithms to this data. Next is warning and alarm. Alerts and alarms are automatic notifications that indicate a specific security event or a certain threshold has been exceeded. SIM systems create these notifications according to specified criteria, and this component instantly detects potential security breaches, allowing the organization to respond quickly to the incident. Manually reviewing all logs and events is a challenging task, and automatic alarms automate this process, allowing you to focus on important events only. Right? So we can create warnings and alarms. There could be two types: predefined alerts and customized alerts. Alerts that are created in response to known threats. Customized are based on the organization's specific needs. We are tuning their environment. Next is alert creation process, data collection, then analysis, then correlation, and then alert is created. How it is managed? It is managed based on priorities, based on verification, whether it is a real threat alarm or this could be a potential false positive. Then as we quickly respond to that incident. Next up we have is SIM reporting. So SIM reporting involves analyzing and compiling the collected log and event data by presenting it in specific formats, and these present complex data in an understandable format, even often through graphs, tables and text. Next is reporting types. Reporting types could be security reports, compliance reports and operational reports. Reports are the ones that contain the security incident details. Compliance reports are the one that the reports on whether organizations are complying with the specified regulatory standards and regulations. Next is operational reports that contains information about system performance. Next is importance of reporting. So importance of reporting is briefing, compliance, decision making and incident response. What is forensic analysis? So forensic analysis means that in a chronological order we are examining the root cause of the event, who has caused that event and why it get caused, and a lot of the details that are needed for that event, why the incident occurred, who carried it out, what impact it had, And what is the aftermath of a security incident? So it is critical to determine what happened in the immediate aftermath of security breach. SIM provides quick access to all the information because they have collected all the logs, and it gives us a complete picture of the incident. To summarize, they are a critical tool for forensic analysis. Following a security incident, the data collection, storage, and analysis capabilities provided by SIM, it helps organizations quickly determine what happened, how we can plan to respond to that incident, and we can understand how to prevent similar incidents in the future. Next is user and asset tracking. UEBA learns the normal behavior of users and their assets on the network, and this is used to detect some deviations from this behavior. So this creates a profile of normal behavior by analyzing the historical activities of a particular user, and if a user displays activity that is not fitting its normal behavior, this is considered an anomaly. So importance is we have more in-depth threat intelligence, fast response time, proactive security response and approach, and comprehensive internal threats. So this capability play a critical role in protecting against modern security threats, and this helps organizations take a more effective and proactive security approach. Right, so next topic we'll do in the next video, that is commonly used SIM products. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel too and share this video with your friends if you feel like they are interested in cybersec. Thank you.